These are Otis elevators in the middle of a mod. This is a Celadon beach resort. What on earth? They modded freaking 411s. Wow. Why? That is just so wacky. You know, quickly, we'll get a view. Do not drop the phone. Wow. Long way down, huh? Whew. Pretty crazy. Oh boy. And it left. Oh, never mind. For some reason the indicator on it's just burnt out for this one. Go to 2. Crazy that they bought 411s.
Yeah.
Celadon Beach. There goes that one. Wow. I guess someone's not happy these got modded. Anyway, that's all.